Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is Ki2 is to NL5 is as PM3 is to question mark. The options are SQ6, SP6, SP8 and SJ6. Friends, to solve this problem, let me write the given question first. That is Ki2 is to NL5. Let me write the positions of the letters. The position of the letter K is what? It is 11. I is 9. Now the position of the letter N is what? 14. The position of the letter L is what? Of course it is 12. Okay. Now 14 is obtained when I add 3 to 11. That is 11 plus 3 is what? 14. Similarly 12 is obtained when I add once again 3 to 9. That is 9 plus 3, 12. 5 is obtained when I add 3 to 2. That is 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So I use the same analogy to get these letters. Okay. Now let me write that PM3 is 2. Now what is the position of the letter P? Yes, of course it is 16. The position of M is 13. Now what I need to do? I need to add 3, 3, 3. Okay. So if I add 3, what I will get? 16 plus 3 is what? 19. So the 19 is the position of the letter S. Okay. Next, once again I need to add 3. When I add 3, 13 plus 3 is what? 16. Yes, 16 is the position of the letter P. Now 3 plus 3, once again I have to add 3. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Now we got it as SP6. Okay, let us check the given options. The first option is SQ6. The second one SP6, which matches with our result. Therefore, option 2 will be the right option. Well friends, we will see some more problems.